Hi, welcome back to Sue Marie P. Today I'm going to share a simple gluten-free cookie recipe made from sunflower seeds. So come with me and let's see. So first of all, we've got our oven on 170 degrees Celsius preheating. So first step, I'm going to grab my 2 eggs, or actually grab 1 egg, and separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now we're going to beat that with this KitchenAid. So we have our egg whites all beaten and firm, and you have this little peak happening, so that means they're ready. Next step, I've separated the sunflower seeds, so we need to grind these to make some ground sunflower. So we're going to use this little bar mix food processor thing I've got here. So I'm going to do 110 grams of the sunflower seeds in here. Now it will look a little bit like ground almonds or hazelnuts. See, you can't really buy this ready. Okay, large bowl, rather sunflower seeds. So we're going to add the sunflower seeds into the large bowl with another 50 grams of sunflower seeds. We have dark brown sugar. You can add just regular light brown sugar. I've always got dark muscovado sugar in the cupboard, so I use that. So I've got 100 grams of that. We've got 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we just need to set this aside. We need to chop up some dark chocolate. I've got 80 grams of dark chocolate here, or you can use dark chocolate chips. With my spatula, all the ingredients come together. Sometimes the brown sugar is a bit clumpy, so I'm just bashing that out a little bit. We need to just soften this brown sugar. It's a little bit humid here at the moment, so my brown sugar has formed clumps, which isn't ideal, but let's just keep mixing that around. So now we're going to fold in these 2 egg whites. I'm going to put this in the fridge because it's quite hot here at the moment for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll form our cookies. That way it'll be a little bit stickier. At the moment it's a bit soft to make cookies. So I'll chill that about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll come back. So we're back with our cookie dough that's been in the fridge, and it's gone a little bit stickier now, so we can start rolling this into balls. I've just got like a soup spoon here, so I'm going to do fairly chunky ones. It's a little bit gooey because of the egg white. I'm just going to place them here on our baking paper. Now with clean hands, I'll put them in the oven. So this is pre-cooking, and we're going to cook these in our oven. They should be crispy on the outside and gooey in the middle. We'll come back after it's cooked. So we're back to sample our cookie. Let me just try this. It tastes like a nutty chocolate brownie cookie. Really delicious. Quite intense. You've got to love dark chocolate. Got chocolate all over my fingers. So if you don't want it so intense, don't add the dark brown sugar. Go back to the light brown sugar. But if you want a blast of intense chocolate, try the dark muscovado sugar. It's a winner. But I don't think you'll need to have the large size. Go back to making the small size and maybe, yeah, have half size. Then you can just have a one bite of intense goodness. We'll be back shortly with a recipe on how to use up those egg yolks. So see you next time. Bye.